Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable automated receipt capture with Expensify for deductions. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Expensify app on your device. Log in to your Expensify account. Navigate to the settings menu. Scroll down to the SmartScan section. Toggle on the Enable SmartScan feature. This allows Expensify to automatically capture receipt data. Next, select the Create New Expense option. Choose the Add Receipt button. You can either take a photo of the receipt or upload one from your device. Once uploaded, Expensify will automatically extract the relevant data. Check the details to ensure accuracy. You can edit any incorrect information if needed. After confirming the details, save the receipt. To enable automated deductions, go back to the Settings menu. Locate the Deductions section. Turn on the Automated Deductions feature. Set your preferences for how you want deductions to be calculated. Finally, review your settings to ensure everything is correct. Your receipts will now be captured automatically for future deductions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.